Okay, hi everybody. This is Mr. Pellegrino. It is Monday, September 8th, and we just did a short block in which I asked you to write a program that draws that pinwheel shape. And I'm going to walk through the solution to this problem. You needed to use repeats, at least one function, and at least one variable in that function. So we had squares. So I'm going to start with my function, my square, and it takes a variable for the side lengths. So I'm going to say that it goes forward. I'm going to repeat 4. Repeat 4. Forward. We'll say x. And then for squares, you want to turn right 90 degrees. So the way to create a function in Logo is right here. You start with 2 and end with end, and then you can use the keyword mySquare to draw a square, and you give it a parameter of some number for the length of the sides. Every Logo program should start with CS and home to clear the screen and return the turtle back to the middle of the screen, the center. So now I need to make my 8-winged pinwheel. 8-stemmed pinwheel. So the first thing I want to do is repeat 8, because each of them has a there are 8 like pins on the wheel. Each of them has a square flag with a smaller square inside of it. So what I want to do is I want to go forward, say 100. I want to draw a square, U-A-R-E, do a big one, then my square 25, and then I want to do back 100, and I'm going to turn right 45 degrees. So that should create all the wheels, and there was one small part about a stem. So this should end the drawing right here, back in the middle, facing up. So I just want to go back, we'll say 150. And that will put the turtle down here somewhere. And then if I hide the turtle, you won't see it. So here we go. Yep, there's the pinwheel. Can't really see the stem, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make this first one, say 25. Oops, no, forward. That was 100. Make the first one here 25, and the second one 10. So if we run it, these should be smaller squares. There we go. That's our stem, which is kind of big. So what if I did forward 50, back 50? There we go. That looks almost exactly like the drawing on the board. Again, a function in Logo is defined as by the to and the end commands. This is the name of the function. In this case, it's called mySquare. It takes the parameter x, and it can use x inside the function itself. Every Logo program should start with CS and home. And then I make my pinwheel by repeating 8 times, going forward 50, drawing a larger square, then a smaller square, and then going back 50, so that puts us back in the middle. And then it turns right 45 degrees to draw this one here. Then it does it again, turning right 45 degrees, and so on. It repeats that 8 times. And then to draw the longer stem down here, it's going to go back 150. Now, instead of back, I could have easily turned around. Could have turned right 180, forward 50, and then right 180. That's the same exact thing. In this case, it's 150. So either way, it should draw the same shapes. And at the very end, I do HT, which is hide turtle, so we can't see the little turtle shape. And that's it. Until next time.